unboxing or opening this Rizmo. Look it around, look it around, look it around. Okay, well, you guys can open this one. I think it's a girl because you can see by her ear. Why you need to cut it? You can just no here in the back there's an opening. And if there's an opening up here, why you need to get it back there? Oh guys, we're not actually unboxing, just play with it. Just open it up and play with it. See, I told you it came from there too. Hey, look at this. Among Us. I'm an Among Us imposter. I'm an Among Us who made green tag. Click. And here's the Rizmo. Looks like this. Just a bomb. Let's turn it on. I want to turn it on. Oh, there's an instruction book, guys. I want to open this. Okay guys, so here we have an instruction how we take care of Rizmo so he or she can evolve. Read it before you just try to play it because you play it. You might don't know what to do and you freak out. This is step 1. Why am I so dark? Let me just read it. Step 1. Press the touch button on the head and swing it. On the head, this. Where is it? If Rizmo's eyes color turn from red to green, it means Rizmo and you are now friends. Where is the button? I can just turn it on the normal way. Maybe this. No. It says there's a button in the head. Is this the head? Yes. There's a little tiny hole. We can figure it out. We can't figure it out. Oh, there it is. This is the button. Friend. This is the button. Okay. First we need to press the button and swing it. Okay. Okay. Press head button to select play mode. Again. Here it's in. What do we press? Swing Rizmo down to confirm. Stand by. Swing Rizmo gently and responds to you. I don't get it. Get it like this. Oh, if stand by Rizmo gently. Swing Rizmo gently and it responds to you. If it's asleep, you want it to be asleep, swing Rizmo gently to put to sleep. Okay, give me. Okay guys, so we need to find the button first, which is in front here, and which is, if we turn it, this light will turn yellow, and we need to confirm it by swinging it down. Let's try it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Why doesn't it song finish, but then it will already turn blue.
We just love the song already.
Okay, guys, this is the first time we learn about this, so we don't fight. Sure, no. Okay, let's press it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Yay! Good job, Rizmo.
I see. Why is he saying good night? Don't turn it upside down.
Chiku. Wait, it seems like people almost evolved, Daddy. Now what?
Orange again, orange again, orange again. You guys turn it upside down.
Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping? Brother John, Brother John. Morning bells are ringing, morning bells are ringing. Guess you couldn't repeat a long song yet, huh? Okay guys, so after that time, we've learned a lot of things about Rizmo. So, when the eyes turn purple, he's sleepy, or as you can say, he's sleepy. So, if the eyes is blue, we can toss it around and it makes a musical instrument. And if it's orange, well, we need to roll it so it plays like a melody. And to evolve, we need to record and make Rizmo remember 15 songs and 25 musical instruments. Oh, that's so tiring. Okay, we'll show you the blue one, which is the musical instrument one. 1, 2. Here's the blue. Toss it around. Is that? Wait, 2. 2, 2, 2.
2 more music and 2 more round that instrument.
And before we go into bed, let's go to the orange one, which is the melody one. 1, 2, 3. It's orange. And now the sleep one. It's purple. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to swing it around. Gently. Really gently. But it responds again, which means our Rizmo is not tired. Come on, Rizmo! 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 Guys, it's evolving! Come on, Rizmo! 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 You can do it! Come on, Rizmo! Okay, it's wet, it's wet, it's wet. Come on, Rizmo! Come on, okay, Rizmo! I know you're gonna evolve. Come on, come on. Come on, Rizmo! 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 yesterday we make it evolve into this kind of Rizmo. Now we're going to make it evolve the second time. I mean, the final evolution. Okay, so let's just sing. We need 4 more songs and 8 more musical instruments.
Let's start with musical instruments, maybe. Song. How about song? So it meant
What are you gonna sing?
no, you sing.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You'll never know, dear, how much I love you.
Okay. So now, how many songs do we need? 4, right?
Yeah, anything at 3.
So 3 more songs. Song.
Figure out a song when I play with musical instruments.
3 more songs. Not hot. La la la, ping bang, taka taka, ting tang. That's good. Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
You sing.
So guys, how can we do the musical instrument? We just throw it around. Not like throw that, or, just throw it like this.
Roll.
Like this.
5 more.
Then we'll make musical instrument or animal sounds.
You can trick someone to think there's a chicken on the loose.
There once was a ship that put to sea, and the name of the ship was the Billy O T. The winds blew hard. You think? I really like the way, look at me, how we communicate and we don't need to speak. It's true.
Okay, so we need musical instruments. Very, very much. I don't know how much I want to throw it. I'm scared.
Again. Not yet. Wait. We do all of those, maybe?
Oh my god.
Stop.
Why are you not evolving? We do everything.
We take.
Come on, Rizmo. Come on, Rizmo. Terus. Yay!
Popstar. It's popstar.
Excuse me.
Yay!
Look at the back.
Hello, Rizmo. What's your name?
Ice Rizmo? Dia kayak mas kecil sih.
We're gonna name it. What if we name it icicles? Look at your little cute mouth. Okay, try the head button. Now it's here. Here. Oh, it's in the back.
Where's your paw? Oh, here's your paw.
Look at this cute little paw.
So I think we're gonna.
So this is the end of the video, but stay tuned for the next video. So you know what Rizmo can do with all the techniques. There's 7 modes after this. So just stay tuned for the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you can. Bye. Oh, don't forget to share. Yeah, bye.